Welcome. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the simple steps to enable app icon badges for notifications specifically related to you and your posts on the X app. These badges are little notification dots or numbers that appear on your app icon, letting you know when there's new activity without even opening the app. If you want to stay up to date with your interactions on X, having these badges turned on is a real time saver. So, let's get started. First, open your phone's settings. This is the main hub where you control everything about your apps and notifications. Once you're inside settings, scroll down and tap on the apps section. Here you'll see a list of all the apps installed on your device. Next, find and tap on the X app. This might be listed under its current name, so look for the familiar icon or the word X. After selecting the app, you will see different options related to it. Tap on Notifications to open the notification settings specifically for the X app. Within Notifications, look for an option labeled Notification Categories and tap on it. This section breaks down the types of notifications the app can send, allowing you to customize what kinds of alerts you want to receive. Here you'll see a category named Related to You and Your Posts. This is where notifications about interactions on your posts or mentions in the Related to You section live. Tap on this category and now you're at the final step. Toggle on the switch for app icon badges. This means your phone will display those small badges on the X app icon whenever there's a new notification in this category. And that's it. By following these steps, you've enabled app icon badges for important notifications related to your activity on X. Now you won't miss new likes, replies, or any interactions connected to your posts right from your home screen. Thanks for watching.